Hello everybody and welcome. My name is Eric and today I'm currently in Big Toho Marina. I'm actually at the lake. I'll show you guys a quick clip of the drone. This is a good lake because it's got pieces of land left and right, so even if it's a windy day the water won't be too choppy and I should be able to make this speed test video. It has been what, two and a half months maybe? I've been trying to pull this off and finally today I get to do it. I got the right boat. I got the drone over there. It's gonna follow me right there, and you guys can see it. There it is. And I got my speedometer system right here with an app on my tablet. Connects to satellites. Let's get to it. Yeah. Okay. Here we go. Let me go put the linear in. Let's get started. Here we go. Speed test. I should probably go that way. Yeah, that's good enough. Here we go. No, maybe go this way. Now we go. Speed test time! Here we go. Let's give it all it's got. Yeah! I'm gonna check it a minute. I just want to give it some speed. Woo! Yeah! All right. I think that's enough distance. Let's check the speeds. All right. Finally, the speed test of the 9.8 horsepower Tohatsu, what I believe is the 8.5 by 8 propeller. The standard propeller. Let's take a look. Let's see. Does it show? All right, let me find out how fast I went. 1 second. Found it. 19 miles per hour. Yeah! Woo! I finally got it. It's not 20 miles per hour, mind you. However, I truly believe that if I were to put the 8.5 by 9.5 propeller, I think it's the one that I got at home, I should be able to get like 20, 22. But to be honest with you, I am happy to achieve such speeds. And I wouldn't mind keeping that propeller on, because if you think about it, you want to be able to have that off the hole shot, that shoots forward. So you want to have that. I think I'll keep it. But for now, I'm happy. Finally, I have achieved the speeds I was looking for. Let me go ahead and bring the drone to me. Where's my drone? My drone is somewhere. Let me go bring it. So you guys saw the drone kind of stop in the middle of the air earlier. That's because this section of the lake is under an authorization zone, and I use a separate phone for the Wi-Fi, and also want to connect. To be completely honest, it's fine. I mean, I got what I wanted. I got the speeds. 19 miles per hour is perfectly fine. And I could probably get faster, like 22 or so, with, like I mentioned, with a heavier propeller. But I'm happy. I'm past the 16 mark, and it's got that that torque on this boat. This is the ZK380 from Saturn, boasttogo.com. Special thanks to those guys. They're pretty awesome. And guys, I want to thank you so much for watching. Finally, I got the speed test. Woo! See you guys in the next one. Later.